Hello and welcome. This is part 2 of the NORA feature demo series. We are picking up at demo 6 with the wait nodes and finishing at demo 10 with the custom script agent. 5 more working workflows. If you missed part 1, it covers the core execution engine and is linked in the description. Let's get into it. Demo 6. Wait nodes. Sometimes an automation needs to pause. A file needs time to finish writing. A service needs time to spin up, or you need to hold until a specific clock time before proceeding. NORA has 2 nodes for this. The first wait node pauses for a set number of seconds. You can see the countdown ticking on the node during the run. This is useful for adding a deliberate gap between steps. For example, after triggering an external process and before checking its output. The second type holds the workflow until the clock reaches a specific time of day. If that time is already passed when the workflow runs, NORA waits until the same time tomorrow. No scheduling logic needed in your scripts. In this demo, the fixed wait completes first. Then the workflow reaches wait until time and pauses until the target clock time. As soon as that time is reached, the next node runs. The output shows both waits completing in sequence, exactly as configured. Demo 7 AI Router Node. The AI router reads a file from a folder and asks an AI model to classify it. Based on the classification, the workflow follows one of several outgoing paths. The demo shows 3 categories: marketing, technical, and support. You define the categories. The AI returns one. The workflow follows the edge whose label matches. If the AI returns something unexpected, the edge labeled other catches it. Each router node has its own provider, model, and API key settings that override whatever is set globally, which means different routers in the same workflow can use different models. After the run, the node shows the category the AI returned, a summary of the document, any structured fields that were extracted, and the cost in dollars with a token breakdown. Debug mode reveals the full raw API response if you need to inspect what the model actually returned. Demo 8 AI Agent Native Node. This demo has 2 lanes. Lane A gives the agent its task directly in the node config, a research request asking for the top benefits of automation, with a goal prompt telling the agent to end its response with a section titled Summary. The agent uses GPT-4o Mini, has the native write file tool attached, and runs with debug mode on. When the agent finishes, NORA routes on the complete handle to a condition node. That condition checks whether the word summary appears in the output. If it does, the workflow saves the result. If it does not, it routes to a flag for review step instead. The agent is not just expected to produce text, it has to produce the right text for the downstream route to follow the success path. Lane B demonstrates upstream context injection. A script node echoes a task instruction. Write a 3-point NORA automation summary to a file using labels point 1, point 2, and point 3. The agent below has no hard-coded user request, only a goal prompt. NORA prepends the script output as context before the agent runs. A condition node checks for point 1 in the output and routes to a confirmed or not detected result. Change what the script echoes and the agent does something entirely different without touching the agent node itself. Both agents run with debug mode on. Clicking the bug icon opens the debug panel, where you can inspect tool call details, tool results, and error information from the run. Demo 9. AI Autonomous Agent Node. When you click Run, the autonomous agent starts an iterative loop on its own. You will see it decide the next step. Call a tool, read that tool result, and continue until it reaches a final outcome or a stop condition. You will see the node using whichever tools were attached to it. Tool library tools, dropped scripts, or inline tools. Calls happen by tool name and the run output updates as each step completes. You will also see 2 hard safety limits in action: budget cap and max iterations. If either threshold is reached first, the loop stops immediately to prevent runaway execution. At completion, routing follows one of 4 handles: complete, partial, needs, input, or error. If needs, input fires. The node pauses and waits for your response before it can continue. Demo 10. Custom Script Agent Node. The Custom Script Agent is where NORA becomes a production platform. Your own script plus OpenAI model intelligence on the same node. This demo runs GPT-4. 1. Mini for fast, accurate semantic classification with deterministic script execution in one workflow step. An upstream node sends a JSON payload with a text field into the custom script agent. The agent classifies the text and emits one of 3 route labels: positive, negative, or neutral. Each label maps to a separate downstream edge on the canvas. 3 labels, 3 paths, all wired visually. With positive input, the agent returns positive. NORA activates that edge, and the downstream node prints sentiment, positive, confirmed. The other 2 branches stay idle. Change the text to negative, and the route shifts to sentiment, negative, flag. Change it to neutral, and it shifts to sentiment, neutral. Same node, same script, different input, different path. You can see the active edge change on the canvas each time. This is what separates NORA from a basic script runner. OpenAI handles the semantic understanding. Your script enforces exact execution behavior. And NORA connects the two with reliable, visual, edge-level routing that feeds directly into whatever automation comes next. No glue code, no manual triage, no ambiguity about which branch fired. Intelligent decisions with full engineering control, running on your machine, in one workflow step. That is part 2, and the end of the feature demo series. 10 workflows covering the full range of what NORA can do. From basic script execution to multi-agent AI automation running locally on your machine. The download link and the node reference documentation are both in the description. If there is a workflow or node you want to see covered in more depth, leave a comment and we will get to it.